Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change auto lock timing in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to settings of your phone here, then go to lock screen, then go to secure lock settings, and here try your pattern for confirmation and verification, and now here click on auto lock when screen offs, and see here it is already set to 5 seconds. If you select immediately, auto lock will be done when screen turns off. Okay, now I make screen turns off, and yes, it is locked immediately. Okay, but here with side button I have set lock instantly with side button, so I turn off. Now if I do side button, it is turned off. Okay, it is turned off and locked because I have selected immediate option. Okay, if it is in 5 seconds with side button, you cannot lock. Okay, side button I just turn off the screen, but 5 seconds still not completed, so it's not locked. Okay, but if you make your screen crosses 5 seconds, that means see here 1 2 3 4 maybe crossed, so now it is locked because auto lock is done within 5 seconds. Okay, within 5 seconds, that is after 5 seconds, sorry, after 5 seconds auto lock will be done. That is screen turns off first, then after 5 seconds of screen turns off, auto lock will be done. That is the meaning here. And immediately means if screen turns off, then immediately auto lock will be done. Screen turns off immediately, quickly, it's done. Okay, that is the first option. Then you can extend here up to 30 minutes. You can extend. That means even if it is locked, even if it is turned off, your phone is turned off, auto lock will not done. Okay, will not be done. See here, because it takes 30 minutes. Okay, automatically locking will be done up to 30 minutes. You go select it like that. Okay, so from here you can select how much timing you need for auto lock. Okay, if it is need really immediately, click on the first one, or if it is need 5 seconds, keep in the second one. Okay, in this way you can customize auto lock time in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.